woman with pink hair is bringing in sales using AI videos.
And experts can't explain why.
I literally have a free training online.
She's hiding how she's creating profitable ads.
There has to be a reason why she's keeping it a secret.
I think she's been showing her butt on TikTok.
She takes just one selfie photo
and turns it into videos that make her money, and no one can figure out how.
People can just click the link and I show them how.
Tell us how. She is cloning herself using some sort of secret AI tool.
Her clone is bringing in leads and sales 24 hours of the day.
She never even has to record anything herself. Her AI clone does all of her video marketing for her.
So why won't you show others how to create their own AI clones?
I do. The link to my free training is below.
See? You're hiding something.